Welcome to another lesson. Today we're going to look at a lesson that we can use these wonderful insets with. And I really wish you were here to be able to pick these up and move them, because so much of it is touching these materials and moving them around and exploring. But I think we can do the best that we can at home by finding or making our own shapes. If you have any cardboard or cardstock, like the thicker paper, or even just regular paper, you can make some of your own shapes. Now this first lesson is going to be comparing shapes. So let's take a look. If I take these two squares and I put them together, I can see that they're the same size and the same shape. This is what we call congruent. Now, congruent comes from a Latin word, congrue, which means to come together, to agree, or to correspond with. And shapes that are the same size and the same shape are congruent. Let's take a look at some triangles. Let's see. These triangles are the same shape, the same size, and they are congruent. We'll talk more about how to do follow-up work on this after we do a few more of these lessons. But I think one of the first steps we're going to have to take is we're going to have to find a way to make some of our own shapes at home, either printing or tracing or cutting or something like that. Maybe you could find some shapes around the house that are congruent, but we'll talk more about that later.